Hello, lovely viewer, and welcome to the 360 video here from our lobby at the headquarters of HubLearn. Hub Nordic is a 360 video, so you can look around with your cursor, your mouse, your head, if you're wearing a headset. I'm about to do the live streaming, and you're just getting the introduction before I'm going live here in a few minutes. And I'm very happy and honored that you are watching this. With no further ado, let's dive into it and start live streaming. I'm very excited. It's been a long time since we have done the live streaming. Just setting up here, putting in the live streaming. And we are going live in a second. Okay. We are going live in 5, 4, 3. Welcome, dear viewer, newcomers, people who just tuned in. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, which is about Learnmentary and the next step on the huge journey which HubLearn and its community and all the impactors that we are having are on. I'm very honored to have you here in our lobby, in our headquarters of HubLearn Group, which HubLearn is part of. We are at the Hub Nordic, Denmark, Copenhagen. This is our huge area where we are having our daily walk. But welcome to the Learnmentary. I'll refresh what the Learnmentary is. But it was a month ago we kicked it off. So the 5th of October 2022, when we were live streaming from the LearnTake, you can see the links in the description. And by the way, all the things which I'm mentioning are mentioned in the links in the description. We are live streaming and kicking off our Learnmentary. And for those who didn't see it or want to know what Learnmentary is a new made word by HubLearn, which is a contraction of learning and documenting. So we put it in and we call it Learnmentary because we wanted to tell the story about HubLearn's journey, but also the local and the people we met and we are going to meet. Example, you, if we shall share your story and knowledge, then please feel free to reach out. We are sharing the stories of the world, and we do that through social knowledge sharing via video, text, audio, augmented reality, and 360 virtual reality. And just to take the last two words, the augmented reality, I encourage you to go into stops.com and figure out what that is. That is part of the Learnmentary and our digital journey. So we create a digital legacy. And then we are having the 360 video virtual reality, which we are doing right now as well. We are having a camera here, which only the 360 viewers are able to see you. Sorry, but you who are watching this right now, or actually, let me just like show it to you so you can like see. Oops, that was the wrong way. I am just moving the camera here. And that is my Insta360 Link camera, which is a little gimbal camera. I can navigate it. There it is. That is our 360 camera, which we are recording with right now. So I am just coming back to myself here. Get the Hub Nordic signed up. Here it is. Okay. So that is the 360 video virtual reality. As you know, here we topped up the word Learnmentary with a curiosity and authentic way to do it. So we are restarting our whole journey and with all the knowledge that we have gained so far the last couple of years. I promise you that it will be an amazing journey. And I did my first vlog in 2019, the 23rd of July. Few days before, I was going on the huge stage of Startup Thailand, where I was talking about augmented reality and 360 virtual reality in tourism before COVID hit the world. If you haven't seen that, then please look at the link. But all these years and everything that we have been doing, we have done it only to have you, dear viewer, to tell your story, but also to upskill you or your business. And with that said, then we have made a lot of early bird deals. We have invested in huge lots of startups and companies by buying licenses and agreeing on special unique deals which you are benefiting of. Because a journey as an entrepreneur and a curious one which wants everything and is like excited about everything, I'm curious about everything. I would say yes and go to most of stuff. We have stumbled into so many walls, and we lost a lot of money. People are trying to like rip us off, and it's been a huge cost with lots of the software that we thought we were going to use. But instead of going out and buying it, we invested in the companies and get a special deal so you can save a lot of money on our special unique services. You can see all our services, which are nearly 300 as we are talking now, the 5th of November 2022. But you can see the whole catalog in the link below. We are having all kinds of stuff of software, and we have everything from artificial intelligence to marketing, augmented reality, virtual reality. But we have taken all those services, divided it into modules, so we can combine them together with you, for you, so we can problem solve your problems and issues and obstacles. We also took most of them and put them into a bundle where we are having the digital upgrade pack. We have 3 flagships. We are having the digital upgrade pack, which is a website or an e-commerce store, which you can have within 72 hours. Very simple. You choose what template you want. You get access to royalty-free music, pictures, and other content. And 72 hours later, you're having a website with the domain you chose. Then we have Business in a Box, which is the DUP and an add-on where you're getting a Danish company and a Danish bank account. So you are having off-the-shelf, ready-to-go business in Denmark. And then we are having Learning in a Box, which is a special unique deal with our partners, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, Coursera, EDX, and you are having a laptop where you have been having access to all of those from. That is what we are having and what Learnmentary is. And to refresh, like short, then I encourage you to sign up at hublearn.com/TV to get notified with all the amazing behind the scenes and unique knowledge that we are having, that we are sharing with you. But also, since you're watching this to the end, and that is only like special people and watching it to the end, is if you have any technical issues and you can't afford like huge expensive consultants, then feel free to reach out to us here at HubLearn, either by commenting or sending us an email on hi@hublearn.com, or you can send it personally to me at adam@hublearn.com, and we will take up your issue together with our community, and we will solve it and create a solution for you, which you can then use, or I'll take it up in our live Learnmentary and solve the problem there, so you're actually getting it for free. And that is what HubLearn is. It's about empowering and upskilling and knowledge sharing people and businesses around the world. HubLearn and our Learnmentary and HubLearn TV is divided into different sessions of length of the video. We'll be doing marathon streams, which will be hours, where we are doing like live all the time, but only by invited people only. So sign up at hublearn.com/TV or go into HubLearn at YouTube and follow us on YouTube, because that is our like main platform where we will be streaming from. Then we are having the nano learning, that is from 0 to 60 seconds, short, quick fixes. And then we are having the 360 live streaming learning, and we are having a live streaming as well. So with that said, I'm about to come to the end, and I hope you enjoy so far. And to wrap it all up, Learnmentary is our storytelling. It's not only HubLearn's, but you who are watching now, you, your family, your network, your business, those stories we want to share together with ours. So we are storytelling and documenting the growth and the learning which we are all getting, because life is one life learning journey. So with that said, and with no further ado, I'm about to end, and I'm hoping to hear from you. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and please, please, please follow HubLearn. Come in with your issues, your technical stuff, and look through our service catalog, because you won't get any better price than buying it through HubLearn. Stay safe, take care, and I will end this stream now. Okay, so that was the stream here. Thank you so much for watching in the 360. Let me hear what you think about it, and how you experience the immersive experience of a 360. I'll end it now here. Stay safe, take care, bye.